Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Chevy Malibu tire. First, prioritize safety by finding a level, secure location away from moving traffic. Always activate your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Before you begin, ensure your parking brake is firmly engaged. Then, locate your spare tire, the vehicle's jack, and the lug wrench, typically found in the trunk or under the cargo area. These essential tools are crucial for a smooth tire change. Now, let's prepare the wheel. If your Malibu has a hubcap or wheel cover, carefully remove it to expose the lug nuts. Using your lug wrench, loosen each lug nut by turning it counterclockwise about 1/2 to 1 full turn while the tire is still on the ground. Next, consult your owner's manual for the precise jack point, usually a reinforced area on the frame near the flat tire. Place the jack there and slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground. With the vehicle safely elevated, it's time to remove the flat tire. Finish unscrewing all the lug nuts you previously loosened and place them in a safe spot where they won't roll away. Now, grasp the flat tire firmly and pull it straight off the wheel studs. It might be heavy, so be prepared. Next, align the spare tire with the wheel studs and carefully push it onto the hub. Once it's seated, hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the studs. We're almost done. Carefully lower the vehicle using the jack until the spare tire just makes contact with the ground, but the full weight isn't on it yet. Now, using your lug wrench, fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star or crisscross pattern. This ensures even pressure. Once they are snug, lower the vehicle completely to the ground and remove the jack. Finally, store your flat tire, the jack, and the lug wrench securely in your trunk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.